Unboxing the Ford Explorer drive shaft. Drive shaft. This drive shaft CV joint has 25 inches of extension and compression travel on both ends. Tools required for Ford Explorer drive shaft removal and installation. Large size electric impact wrench. Mid-size T45 Torx bit socket. Mid-size 10mm deep socket. Mid-size 13mm deep socket. Large to mid adapter. Large size 10mm deep socket. Large size 13mm deep socket. Large size 15mm deep socket. Large size short extension bar. Large size quick wrench. Mid-size torque wrench. Large size extendable ratchet. Large size torque wrench. Large size flathead screwdriver. Hammer. Pry bar used for removal assistance. Lift the vehicle. First, remove the exhaust assembly. Use a large size 15mm deep socket, large size extendable ratchet. Remove the connecting bolts for the muffler mid and rear section. Remove the nuts. Use a large size flathead screwdriver. Tap the connection with a hammer to separate. Use a pry bar to remove the muffler hanger and detach the muffler. Use the same tools to remove the other muffler hanger. Continue removing the muffler hanger. When removing the muffler, have an assistant help with the removal. Separate the exhaust pipe. Next, remove the drive shaft. Before removing the drive shaft, place the vehicle in neutral and release the parking brake.
Use a large size 13mm deep socket.
With a large size electric impact wrench, remove the front drive shaft mounting bolts. Rotate the drive shaft. Continue removing. Remove all bolts. Use a mid-size T45 Torx bit socket large to mid adapter. Large size short extension bar with a large size electric impact wrench. Remove the rear drive shaft mounting bolt. Use a large size 13mm deep socket. With a large size electric impact wrench, remove the drive shaft center support bearing mounting bolt. Remove the drive shaft. Use a large-size flathead screwdriver to help remove the drive shaft. Insert through the hole and pry out the drive shaft. When removing the drive shaft, have an assistant help. Remove the drive shaft. Use a large-size 10mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the support bearing on the drive shaft. Old V's new drive shaft. The reason for replacing the drive shaft is that the old one was out of balance, causing vibration while driving. Install the drive shaft. Continue installing the drive shaft. Install the drive shaft support bearing. Align the mounting holes. Install the support bearing mounting bolts on both sides. Align the holes. Continue installing the drive shaft to support bearing connection. The slightly longer side of the support bearing faces the front of the vehicle. Use a large-size 10mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Tighten the drive shaft to support bearing mounting bolts. Use a large-size 13mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the support bearing mounting bolts. Align the drive shaft mounting holes. Install the mounting bolts. Complete the drive shaft to rear differential connection. There are 6 mounting bolts. Align the holes. Install the front drive shaft to transfer case connection. Start the mounting bolts by hand. Rotate the drive shaft to install the bolts. The drive shaft to transfer case connection has 4 mounting bolts. Use a large-size 13mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Tighten the drive shaft to transfer case mounting bolts. Use a mid-sized 45 Torx bit socket, large to mid adapter, large size, short extension bar with an electric impact wrench to tighten the drive shaft to rear differential mounting bolts. Use a mid-size 245 Torx bit socket with a mid-size torque wrench. Tighten the rear drive shaft mounting bolts and torque them. Torque to 25 Newton meters or 18 foot-pounds. Use a large-size 13mm deep socket with a large-size torque wrench. Tighten the front drive shaft mounting bolts and torque them. Torque to 70 Newton meters or 52 foot-pounds. Use a mid-size 10mm deep socket with a mid-size torque wrench. Torque the drive shaft support bearing inner bolts. Torque to 20 Newton meters or 15 foot-pounds. Use a mid-size 13mm deep socket with a mid-size torque wrench. Torque the 2 outer mounting bolts. On the drive shaft support bracket, torque to 30 Newton meters or 22 foot-pounds. After the drive shaft is installed, begin installing the exhaust. Install the muffler and exhaust pipe. Align the holes and install. After the muffler is fully installed, install all muffler hangers. Start the muffler connecting bolts by hand. Use a large size 15mm deep socket with a large size quick wrench. Tighten the muffler connecting bolts. Lower the vehicle. After lowering the vehicle, shift to park. Apply the parking brake.